Hi, this is Verti from thesaunaheater.com. Today it's my pleasure to be visiting our distribution partner, Bathing Brands. So we are here in the Bathing Distribution Center in Chicago. In this video we are going to talk about the finest Estonian quality indoor saunas, and we are going to talk about the 3 heavy hitters in the Auroom lineup when it comes to indoor saunas. And in this video I'm joined by
Jessie with Bathing Brands.
So Jessie can tell us a little bit about the Auroom Vulcana sauna kit and a little bit about the materials used in this one. So it looks quite complex and quite many materials used, right?
Absolutely. So this beautiful contrast is created by the Thermo Aspen interior and the Ignite altar on the inside. So it also has the matching Thermo Aspen 2-tiered benching, and as you can see on the bottom here, it is a full lower bench to make it easier for 2 people to sit on the bottom and also lie down as well.
And this sauna is meant for up to 4 sauna goers at once, so it's a 4-person indoor sauna. When it comes to the dimensions, this is 73 inches wide, 73 inches deep and 83 inches high. And as Jessie said, we have tiered benching, so 2 levels of benches. We have the intake ventilation, so the air coming in from here and here, and the sauna heater is meant to be placed on this front left corner of the sauna. Then we have the exhaust vent under the bench there on the right corner under the upper bench. For this sauna we recommend a 9 kW sauna heater, and good options in the 9 kW range include a home drop 9 kW, or you could do even Harvia Spirit SP80E with the Auroom Vulcana sauna.
And as all other Auroom rooms come with, it is the dimmable LED lighting that is mounted on the outdoors of the sauna.
Yeah, and that lighting can also be connected to your phone, so you can control the lighting through an app on your phone. And all Auroom sauna kits, as a premium sauna kits, they come with bucket and ladle, sauna hat, thermometer that you can use to monitor the temperature inside the sauna pillow, and a timer to time your sauna sessions. So that's it about the Auroom Vulcana. And what do we have here next?
So this is the Auroom Nativa. So this one is known for its contemporary interior. It is made of aspen. It also has the 2-tiered benching. This one also has the skirt underneath the benching for a more finished look, and this one is paired with the Saunum heater.
Yeah, so we recommend the Saunum Air heater for this. So the Saunum offers you with more versatile sauna experience and more options. So you can use it just like traditional sauna heater, but the special thing with Saunum is that it has this chimney and the air blending technology, which will create more oxygen for the sauna goers sitting inside the sauna, and it will equalize the temperatures inside your sauna. So Auroom Nativa comes in standard with the basic lighting kit, just as all other Auroom saunas, so adjustable lighting with same specification, just as we talked last time. Important thing to remember with all of these Auroom's indoor saunas is that sauna is a hot and humid environment. So you need to take that into consideration when placing your sauna inside your house. Meaning that when you draw water on the sauna heater, the heater creates humidity, you sweat in there, you need to have a way to have the water go somewhere. So you can't actually just place it to your bedroom floor, but rather you need a floor that can handle the water and get kind of rid of it. So for example, your garage, or if you have a bigger bathroom, that would be optimal for these Auroom saunas. So then we have the Auroom Libera indoor sauna here as our last sauna. So I would say that you can fit in 4 people here pretty comfortably. You can equip this with a, let's say, 9 kW sauna heater. So Auroom Libera comes with quite complete lighting included. So as you can see, we have few light fixtures on the both walls. We have a light fixture under the benches and one behind the backrest. And all of these can be controlled with the same controller as well. If you want to have an extra wall with your Auroom Libera, you can get some extra paneling.
Yes, you can get extra paneling. This just helps to complete the look of the sauna. It is obviously made in the same material as the sauna, just to help it blend in seamlessly with your indoor space.
Yeah, so this sauna is made out of Thermo Aspen, and then benches are
the Thermo Aspen.
So if you want to hide, for example, your garage, something in your garage behind, you can get some extra paneling and get your Libera hooked up with that. And this comes in with the Auroom accessory kit, just as all Auroom saunas do. Thank you for watching. If you need help selecting the perfect indoor sauna to your house, making sure that you have all the accessories and everything needed, you can contact us by calling 725-777-5484 or visit thesaunaheater.com for more information. See you. Thank you.